السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Mesa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to ask for direction and how to give direction. Okay? But before we start the lesson, قبل البدء في الدرس لا تنسوا تشجيعي بلايك في الفيديو، كتابة تعليق ومشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم حتى تعم الفائدة إن شاء الله. So now let's start the lesson. In this video I decided to divide the video in two parts. The first part is asking for direction. The second part is giving direction. يعني قررت أن أقسم الفيديو إلى قسمين، قسم asking for direction وقسم giving direction. We start with asking for direction. كيف نسأل حول الاتجاه أو حول مكان ما إلى آخره. How do I get to library? How do I get to library? Where is the nearest post office? هنا أكيد يمكنكم تغيير كلمة post office. هذا مثال فقط. Where is the nearest post office? Post office هو مكتب البريد. Can you tell me the way to the hotel? نفس الشيء يمكننا تغيير كلمة hotel والتي هي الفندق. Can you tell me the way to the hotel? Are we on the right road for London? Are we on the right road for London? Are we on the right road for London? نفس الشيء يمكننا تغيير كلمة London. Can you show me on the map, please? Can you show me on the map, please? Map واللي هي الخريطة. أعيدوا ورائي. I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. Address العنوان. I'm looking for this address. How do I find؟ وهنا تقولون الأمر الذي تبحثون عنه. مثلا How do I find the school? How do I find the supermarket? How do I find the garden? إلى آخره. Excuse me? How can I go to? Excuse me? How can I go to? How can I go to? Do you have a map? Do you have a map? Do you have a map? Map خريطة. Are you from around here? 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 Where is? Where is? وهنا لا تنسوا أننا قمنا بدرس حول كيفية إعطاء سؤال أو كيفية تكوين جملة سؤال. Where is Which is the best way to? Which is the best way to? Which is the best way to. مثلا which is the best way to the hospital? Which is the best way to the restaurant? إلى آخره. Pardon me? I'm lost. How do I get to? Pardon me. Pardon me. I'm lost. How do I get to? How do I get to? Pardon me. I'm lost. Lost تائه أو ضائع. I'm looking for. I'm looking for. I'm looking for. I am looking for. أعيد ورائي. Could you direct me to? Could you direct me to? Could you direct me to? أعيد ورائي. May I ask for some help? May I ask for some help? I need to get to. May I ask for some help? I need to get to. How can we get to? How can we get to? لا تنسوا أننا قمنا بدرس الأسئلة. Please check the lesson of asking questions. How to ask questions in English. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Far وتعني بعيد. يمكنك تغييرها ب is it near from here? near وتعني قريب. Excuse me? Can you tell me how to get to the bus station? Excuse me. عفوا أو آسف. Could you tell me how to get to the bus station? Bus station محطة الحافلات. الآن نمر إلى الجزء الثاني. Now we move to the second part of the lesson or the video, which is given direction. If someone asks you for direction, you need to answer them, okay? So here are the sentences that you need to use. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. It is on the corner. It is on the corner. It is on the corner. لو كنت أنت السائح أو جاءكم سياح يتكلمون باللغة الإنجليزية. It's good to learn English. من الجيد أن تتعلم اللغة الإنجليزية وتجيبهم. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Go straight. Straight مباشرة. Straight ahead. Go along. Go along. Go along. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Go along. turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left. Repeat after me. Keep repeating. Repeat, repeat. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. أعيد ورائي. Turn left or turn right into street. وهنا تكتبون اسم الطريق. street وتعني الطريق. النقاط هنا تملؤونها باسم الطريق، أي طريق. Okay? Turn left or turn right. يمكنكم استعمال كلاهما into street. Go down. Go down. Go down. استعملنا go up والآن نستعمل go down. It is in the middle of the block. It is in the middle of the block. It is in the middle of the block. Keep repeating. You will pass a supermarket on your left. You will pass a supermarket on your left. بين قوسين قمنا بدرس الأشياء التي نجدها في السوبر ماركت. تجدون الفيديو في قناتي. You will pass a supermarket on your left. It is on your left. It هنا نعني بها المكان الذي نتحدث عنه، مثلا bus station أو hospital, restaurant, etc. Okay? It is on your left. It is on your left. It is on your right. It is on your right. مثلا the restaurant is on your right. The hospital is on your right. The school, for example, is on your right. And so on. It is about 100 meters from here. It is about 100 meters from here. وهنا يمكنكم أكيد تغيير الأرقام إلى آخره. أعطيتكم فقط أمثلة. Take the first road on your right. Take the first road on your right. Take the first road on your right. يمكنكم أيضا تغيير right ب left. Take the second road on your left. Take the second road on your left. Repeat after me. Take the second road on your left. It is next to. It is next to. مثلا, the school is next to the restaurant. وهنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الدرس. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم ولو بالقليل. شكرا 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 على كل الدعم. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video إن شاء الله. Take care. See you. Bye bye.